Additionally, this combination allows for more heat resistance, which in turn makes it operate at higher speeds without losing its cutting edge. This property of the Hack-N-Saw portable sawmill makes it incredibly faster than other band sawmills. The Lucas Mill Model 8-30 is a versatile portable sawmill designed for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers seeking a reliable and efficient solution for on-site timber processing. The Model 830 is powered via 30 horsepower V-twin Kohler engine with electric start and offers a cutting capacity of up to 8.5 inches or 215 millimeters in both the horizontal and vertical cuts. In standard form, this model is capable of a milling length of 6 meters. Additional track extensions can be purchased if longer timber needs to be catered for.